The next best accessory is a pretty obvious one. You probably heard people say this, but it's a controller that fits the phone in between it. So this is basically like a Nintendo Switch type of thing, copy controller. It's the Game Seer X2, and it works perfectly fine with the Z Fold 2. It fits nice and smooth. And the thing I like about this is that the Z Fold 2, you can do different angles with it. I also have the Bluetooth one, and then if I don't want to play with the phone inside, I can just prop up my phone and then play like this because it's Bluetooth. The Bluetooth one doesn't have the USB-C right here dongle, so it sits flat, and then because it does that, you can flip the Z Fold 2 around so that the charging port is at the top, and then boom, you can charge the phone while playing. This does allow pass-through charging, but it's only compatible with certain phones. It doesn't really work with my Z Fold 2. But yeah, this is just really nice to play games on, you know, emulators and things like that. It works perfectly, especially if you're playing older games like GameCube. The aspect ratio on this Z Fold 2 screen, it looks super nice. So yeah, this is a really blessed accessory for this phone.